Namaskar. Let's understand about skin and the various spots. Dark spots are caused because of too much exposure to sun, hormonal changes, aging and skin injuries. Dark spots are generally harmless, but some people would like to lighten it in different ways. Today I am going to talk about some natural remedies to make dark spots lighter. First, eat at least one citric fruit every day because citric fruits like oranges and grapefruits are very rich in vitamin C, which has skin lightening property. If you eat these foods regularly, they can help to lighten dark spots from the skin. How? It is because vitamin C helps to limit the production of melanin, which is the pigment responsible for the dark spot. But there is more. Citric fruit also improves overall skin health by boosting collagen production and providing antioxidants. Include citric fruit in your daily diet by consuming them as whole fruits, preferably, or juices, or adding lemon slices to water for refreshing drink. Next, apply a honey face mask with tomato paste or papaya paste. 2 teaspoons of papaya paste in a small bowl with either 2 teaspoons of tomato paste or 2 teaspoons of honey. Start by mixing. Cleanse your face thoroughly and pat it dry with a clean towel. Using your fingertips, apply the mask evenly on your face, focusing on areas with dark spots. Leave the mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Honey naturally moisturizes your skin and it also has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property. It can promote your overall skin health. The antioxidant present in tomato, especially lycopene, can protect your skin from UV rays of sun. And tomatoes also have exfoliating property. So they lighten dark spots and improve your skin texture. In papaya, there is an enzyme called peptide which can help to remove your dead skin cell and promote collagen synthesis. That's why it is excellent for fading dark spot and rejuvenating your skin. Lastly, we have a yogic technique called as Kapalrandhra Dhouti. This technique not only massages facial muscles but also irrigates all the cavities of the skull. It is a holistic approach to addressing a dark spot by targeting their underlying causes. Kapalrandhra Dhouti improves blood circulation and detoxifies your skin to reduce the appearance of dark spot. So how to do this? Begin by placing your thumb on the side of the temple. Next, use your 4 fingers to gently massage your forehead. Continue by massaging the area around your eyes with your index and middle finger. Pinch your eyebrows along their length. Proceed to massage your cheeks with upward stroke. Massage the faces above and below your lips using your index and middle finger. Massage the sides of your face and behind your ear, back and forth. Finally, massage your neck with an upward stroke looking upward. The massage action promotes collagen production and promotes rejuvenation of cell if it is done regularly. Apart from these 3 natural remedies, here are some more tips for lightening the dark spots. Apply fresh aloe vera juice to dark spots regularly. Practice Simhasana for facial muscles. In yoga, one asana named Simhasana is strongly recommended. Also, do Varun Mudra for better skin health. Pay more attention to your lifestyle habits. Try to get enough sleep, drink enough water, and do enough exercise. In this way, you will be able to maintain a very good overall health and get rid of any skin concerns. All these remedies are natural methods to lighten dark spots, but it is essential to be patient and consistent with their use for best results. Always remember, true beauty radiates from within. Namaskar.